Schools return to remote learning. There are still many questions lingering about the safety of reopening schools.
Yeah, one online study found that COVID-19 impacts South Texas border communities are especially vulnerable to the virus with group gatherings of 25 people or more. CBS 4's Mike Jimenez joins us live in the studio this morning with those details. Mike.
Now, the officials with the study say as the states lifted lockdowns, the responsibility shifted to individuals to manage their own personal risk. But researchers say most did not have the accurate information to make that decision. So they developed a COVID-19 event risk assessment tool, which uses real-time data of county infectious rates to predict the risk assessment level that at least one person attending an event will be COVID-19 positive. The study shows communities along the border from Brownsville to Laredo are exceptionally high for risk infection when residents get together in groups of just 25. The dashboard tool was developed by researchers from Georgia Tech, Stanford University, and the Applied Bioinformatics Laboratory. Researchers with the project say their data shows only how likely someone at the event is infected, not the risk of being exposed.
Now, if you go to that event, you're not necessarily going to interact with every person at the event. And even if you walk by the person who has COVID, you're not necessarily going to get infected.
Cameron County at 99%, Starr at 97% top the list when comparing group gatherings of 25. But when comparing gatherings of 100, Hidalgo, Cameron, Willacy, and Starr counties all top the list at 99%. The dashboard utilizes the percentages of those who tested positive for antibodies of COVID-19 and a best guess estimate of those who were never detected. Now, if you would like to take a look at the full survey for yourself, you can head on over to valleycentral.com. Working for you in Harlingen, I'm Mike Jimenez.